What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Jake. Welcome to the JD Cars Automotive YouTube channel. Please be sure to go check us out at jd-cars.com. Follow us on Instagram at jd.cars, and please be sure to subscribe for more content. So right now I'm actually in the middle of installing this Jeep hardtop hoist system. It's going to make storing the hardtop a lot easier in the garage here. This is actually the first summer we've had the hardtop, and I don't really feel great about, leaving it out back behind the garage. Someone's probably going to bash it up. So we're installing this hoist system right now, but finally reached the time to open up this Super RE hardtop and door removal toolkit. I've been really interested to see what we get, so let's jump into it and see. Oh, nice. Comes with a carrying case. I thought this was just packaging, but it actually comes in a nice nylon zipper case. Let's see what tools we get. Alright, I'm sure everything was at one point in here, but it came out during shipping. But basically, looks like we got numerous different Torx drives here. All the appropriate Jeep JKU Torx drives. You have an extension, a 3/8 ratchet, and and we also have a 15mm Super RE branded ratchet. Feels nice, got a lot of weight. Oh, feels like we have a lot of click points too. Honestly, pretty nice feeling ratchet, but let's go put it to the test and try out, I believe it's our T30 Torx for the hardtop bolts. So let's go bring this over to the hardtop and try it out. Okay, so I got that bit on here, fits in this hardtop bolt like a glove. Oh, that ratchet feels nice. First time ever using this. It feels quite nice. Really nice weight in the hand. Perfect amount of leverage for the application here. But I'm gonna go pull the same fastener over on the driver's side, and then I'm gonna use the same, I believe it's the same bit to take off those bolts in the back. And I just realized I can put all my hardware in this carrying case so I don't lose it. All right, now in the back of the Jeep, just behind our storage bags, same size bit for these side bolts here. I'm really liking this ratchet. It's really smooth. All right, so I just took off all of the hardtop hardware in about, I don't know, 5 minutes or less with this little kit. I also already took off the door Torx fasteners, the bolts that go in each of the door hinges, so we can take off everything. Everything's now in this little case. Now, the last test, does this little guy fit in the little storage compartment in the back? So let's open up the trunk here the best we can. Flip up the little storage area. Oh yeah, we're gonna have more than enough room, even with this big tow rope. Stick it in over on the left. Boom, hardware and tools on board in the Jeep whenever we need them. So that's huge. Really impressed with that little kit. As you saw, sorry, I'm sweating my ass off right now, but as you saw, that little kit contains everything you need to take off your hardtop, your doors, and then some. And I'm pretty sure it's only like 25 bucks. You can't even get that ratchet alone on Amazon for 25 bucks. So, I mean, you probably can, but all in all, case, Torx fasteners, socket, extension, and ratchet, all that for I think it was 25, 35 bucks. I think it's a good deal. I think if you're in the market for a toolkit for your Jeep, if you like to take your doors off, your top off, I would definitely consider this. There have definitely been times where I've been out remotely, like off-roading or at a friend's house, and I've been like, oh, I wish I had a toolkit with me in the Jeep so that I could take things off right now. But that problem has now been solved by Super RE, so huge shout out to Super RE for the awesome little toolkit. I also have a bunch of other Super RE accessories on the Jeep here. Door handle inserts, the grab handles to match. So if you guys are curious, oh, and I have some Super RE rock lights up in here. I love those things. But really short, impromptu video here. If you guys are more interested in the hoist system that I've just installed here, I've made a separate video showing the entire installation and demonstrating the use of it. If you're interested in more of these upgrades, please be sure to browse the channel. Please like this video, subscribe for more Jeep content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on JD Cars.